Hey everybody, it is Ryan. I'm going to give you an overview of this creepy cloth. Yes, it is creepy cloth. More than likely, you're going to be looking for something that has to do with decorating for the Halloweens, or you could use this for, let's just say, something that you want to look a little creepy. So this company reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you kind of give us an overview? Because a lot of people don't know about our creepy cloth. So this was provided to me, but in no way whatsoever will it positively nor negatively affect my review, because you know what? I like to keep it real, and Halloween, especially, to do some old decorating. So let me kind of give you an idea of what all comes in this packet of black creepy cloth. Now you got 1, 2, 3, 4 individual pieces. Now, why that is important is because a lot of times when you're decorating, you get like one thing in like a bag, and this came in a bag, and then you got to cut it to size and all this stuff. And so you got a couple different sizes here. You got a couple different sizes that kind of come in the packet. This one I'm holding is pretty big. It's about 3 feet wide by about 5 feet tall. Then you got a size here that's about 2 feet by about 4 feet. This size right here, it's just kind of, looking kind of crazy. 2 by maybe about 4.5. Same thing over here. This one just happens to be a little bit longer. Now, when it comes to decorating, this would be perfect for, you could use on, let's just say, a costume, or decorating different things, or, if you wanted to dress it up and do some stuff on a window. This is faux lights there, making it trying to look a little creepy. So if you want to kind of combine some different things to make it look El Creepy-esque. Now this is a cotton tight material. I would highly suggest not washing this. So put this somewhere where you could have it obviously outside in the elements, the old weather elements. But just take into consideration, this is not something you want to wash, or if you do wash it, maybe by hand, because it is meant to look tethered, worn, all that fun stuff. It's supposed to look creepy, so that kind of gives you an idea of what it's like. It's like a netting type material, and it can be cut, it can be stretched a little bit and reshaped to give it sort of the creepiness effect you're going for. But if you're trying to give the creepy effect on the old Halloween, or whatever holiday, or whatever you're trying to do, this is pretty cool. The creepier, the better when it comes to the old Halloween time of the year. We're doing things up in a big way. Hope this finds you well, and we'll talk to you soon.